Hey there, friend. Today, I'm supercharged to show you the INIU P64, a 140 watt power bank. It's sleek, solid, and it even ships with a handy carrying case and a beautiful cable. Stick with me because in a moment, you'll see it fire up a pair of headphones, an Xbox controller, and a Chromebook all at once. If you've ever been caught with a dead device, you'll want to watch this test to the end. You ready to power ahead? Let's dive in. Wow. Okay, this feels amazing. In my hand, I've got the INIU PowerBank P64. This is 140 watts, 25,000 milliamp capacity, looking and feeling like something important is inside. this, this is wow. Look at this. Look at this bad boy. Woo, look at this thing. Look at this. Oh, yeah, this feels amazing. Wow, the P64. Let's turn it on. We've got the power button here, clearly labeled. Open it up, get the rest of the things out of the box. Got, looks to be your carrying case as well. Oh, that's nice. Okay, and there's something in here, a cable. Yeah, looks good. You got your user manual. Okay, and look at that. Oh, this is good. This one fits in really, really well. And I think it gives you like room. Oh, yeah. Room to put your cord in here. You could use whatever you like, but this one obviously is perfect. You can cinch it up, take it with you. What a great package. And don't forget, we got this nice USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's check it out. See the quality. Oh, yeah, this is thick. Feels very, very nice. This should work out absolutely perfect for charging up your phone, your AirPods, your Samsung Galaxy Buds, or whatever you happen to be using. When we're speaking about the design and the build quality of the P64 power bank, honestly, the first thing that comes to mind is how smooth and soft the feel of this device is in your hands. And, how reflective and beautiful this display cover is. I really just think it feels so nice to hold. You've got the information on the back, and, the interface is very, very straightforward. You've got your power bank, which is recessed nicely so it doesn't stick up, doesn't protrude. And then you've got your clearly labeled inputs and outputs. Of course, this being the input for charging the device with the 140 watts. You got the 45 watt output and 18 watt as well. This will work like, I'll show you a game controller test, headphones, but these obviously for larger power devices, probably more like your phone and your laptop, things like that. We'll check it out. Make sure it's giving you the power as advertised, because the Pro mode on the display when you're charging is really cool and it lets you know what's going on. So it looks good, it feels good. It's designed to give you the information you need so that this thing can be an absolute powerhouse. Okay, and I've got my game controller here, just a standard controller, and I've got that plugged into the battery bank. You can see this thing is only drawing 0.2 watts. It's got 99.9 hours remaining. So if you brought a controller along, for your trip or something, this power bank actually gives you some really usable information. So now I'm going to plug it into my phone, and we're going to see just how much power it's drawing, because this is a real world example, something that, all of us would use this for. And for my iPhone 16 Pro, this thing is pulling 9.8 watts, 60% battery remaining with 8.5 hours. So this thing could be charging for a long time. And if I plug it into the other port, it's still going to give you the same information. So it really shows you that you only really need to use this fast port, 140 watt, when you're charging it, because it's the input, but also when you're using large draw devices. So I've got a Chromebook plugged in here, just trying to get an idea of what kind of wattage this thing is drawing while it's charging. This thing is sipping power, 6.8 watts. No big deal. It's basically telling me you can run this thing for, I don't know, 15 to 24 hours, 25 hours off of a single 20,000 milliamp. There you go. It's up to 14.4, 17. So it's adaptive and it gives this device everything it needs. I don't know if I've got anything higher draw than this that's USB-C chargeable, but obviously this power pack is designed to, to expand and to grow with you in any way that you're going to need. Okay, so trying to do a real world test here. We've got the Chromebook playing a video. We got the iPad playing a video here. And I've got this older iPhone. I think it's like an iPhone 10. So we're going to start. This thing is completely 100%. And we're going to plug in the first device, which is the phone. And you're going to see here, it's going to start drawing some watts, about 3.8, something like that. No big deal. Next, we've got this one connected to the iPad. I'm going to put that in the 45 watt space. And it's going to just recalibrate for a second. Now we're getting 18.7 watts of juice. Now we've got another cable connected here to the Chromebook. Still getting 25 watts right now. We're going to connect the Chromebook, which is also playing video. It's going to probably drop to 0. Oh, I'll jump right up. 37.8 watts. So with the hardware that I have, 43 watts, this seems to be as high as I can get this to pull. But if you have like a brand new laptop with ultra fast charging, or maybe you're charging your nicest phone, I'm actually recording on mine right now, you're going to be able to get that number higher, but I just like that this has a lot of overhead and seems to be able to handle really almost anything the average user is going to throw at it. As you can see, you can get 15% off your first order just by going to the web page here. Now, currently listed at regular price $99.99, but this thing goes on sale, so look out for that. Check the links in the description if you want to check it out for yourself and pick one up today. This thing has, I think, a very good value for a high capacity. And as you can see, I really wanted to focus on this compatibility quickly to show that we didn't even really push the ultimate level that this power supply is capable of reaching. I don't own a MacBook Pro 16-inch or a Dell XPS or one of the most modern high-powered devices. But if you do, this P64, it's for you. So, what do you think of the INIU P64? For just around $89 US, you get rock-solid build quality, a roomy 20,000 milliamp capacity, and that sweet 140 watt output, plus the carrying case. I'm impressed by how easily it juggled my headphones, Xbox controller, and the Chromebook without breaking a sweat. Drop your questions or experience with PowerBanks down below. I reply to every comment. Smash that thumbs up if this video helped you, and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the next hands-on test. As always, thank you so much for watching.